that no one at home is speaking to each other anymore.
I told you exactly what would happen if you did that. Why are you blaming me for this mess, Kada? Something feels seriously wrong with his classmate today.
Sometimes the hardest conversations save the most important things.
Today feels like it will be a good day.
Hi, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, class. Please find your seats. It's going to be a great day.
Come on, let's play. Maybe later.
Are you sure you're all right? Are you feeling all right today?
I'm just tired. Do you want to talk about anything? I'm here for you. The arguing at home has been getting worse lately. I feel helpless to fix things. I don't know how to make my family happy again.
Maybe they should talk to someone wise about this.
Adults might know what to do.
Hey, are you all right?
I'm fine, thank you.
We should tell Old Mother Cat about our classmate.
Yes, I hope she knows how to help. Thank you for seeing us, Old Mother Cat. It's about the new calico kitten. Their home life's very difficult right now.
Family troubles can be very painful for a child. She thinks carefully about how they might help.
Sometimes just being a good friend means everything. I know the classmate's mother a little. I could gently check in on the family too.
Maybe we should invite her to spend time with us after school.
That's a great idea. She shouldn't feel alone. Hi, we're about to play over there. Would you like to join us for recess today?
Really? Okay, thank you.
It's okay, you can walk with us. We'd like you to come along.
What do you call a cat who lives in a barn?
A meow-nager.
That's a good one.
Come on, join our game.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Thank you for including me today.
We're glad you're feeling better.
I simply wanted to check in, kindly.
Things have been so difficult at home lately, I don't know what to do. I understand, dear. Just take a moment.
Work troubles have made everyone tense and short-tempered.
Even small moments together can heal a lot. It is so kind and thoughtful of her. The whole school truly cares about her well-being. Thank you for your kind visit. I promise I will try to talk things through with my husband.
That is all we can ask for, dear.
Do you want to join us? We are heading to the gardens. Yes, it will be fun. Okay.
Working together always makes tasks more fun. Laughter always makes hard days feel lighter. Every day is more fun with a new friend. Things at home have felt a little calmer lately. That's wonderful to hear. I'm glad.
I'm sorry, dear. I've been far too stressed and short-tempered lately.
I understand. We both need to communicate better. Perhaps we could all go on a family outing this coming weekend.
It would be wonderful.
She just needs a little encouragement, dear.
We'll make sure she feels safe here. We're going on a picnic, a lovely day for fun.
Look at that giant butterfly. It is beautiful. I have never seen one that big.
Look at all this delicious food.
Mother Cat always makes the best sandwiches.
I'm so happy today.
Hi, everyone. Come meet my parents. Mom, Dad, these are my new friends.
Thank you all so much for being so kind to her.
Thank you for being such a good friend. My daughter has smiled more this past week.
Thank you for your kind visit.
Your gentle advice truly helped our family.
Hey everyone! Let's play Capture the Bell in the gardens!
That sounds like so much fun!
All right, let's do it!
Try and catch it now, everyone!
Woohoo! Faster!
I almost got it!
Today feels like the happiest day in a long time.
Sometimes kindness is the best gift you can give.
Today turned into a truly wonderful day. I feel luckier than ever before.
I am grateful.
We found our way back together.
Who wants to go for a refreshing swim right now? Oh yes, that sounds wonderful. Let's go. Seeing her this happy means everything to them. Day truly showed the power of kindness. The classmate smiles brightly, grateful for her wonderful friends.
I am so glad we could help our friend.
Small acts of kindness can heal entire families.
Thank you all so much, truly. I had a wonderful time. We're so glad. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone. Being a good friend can change someone's whole world.
I love walking home with you both.
We love it too, darling.
It's the best part of the day. Come home, children. The stew is ready. It smells delicious, thank you. We had such a lovely day at school.
Tell me about your day, dear.
Did anything exciting happen at the schoolhouse?
It was the best day ever. I helped the teacher. My family feels whole again, just like before. Helping our classmate felt truly meaningful today.
I am proud of how we helped our friend.
Me too.
Kindness always finds its way into troubled hearts.
Come home, dear. How was your day at the schoolhouse?
Oh, Mother, it was wonderful. We learned all about the history of the bell tower today.
Sleep now, little one, safe and sound. The sweet.
As the moon rises over the quiet town, we are reminded that kindness can heal even the saddest of hearts. Being a good friend can change everything. One small act of friendship, freely given, had the power to heal a family and bring warmth to the quietest heart. Sometimes the smallest kindness creates the biggest change.
Every family deserves a little extra kindness.
A true friend can help heal even the hardest days.